Today we want to look at the object in the kitchen. Object in the kitchen, and the kitchen itself we call it useku or eku. So we have the first thing we have in the kitchen. You know, we can't have kitchen without pots. We have pot definitely in your kitchen. So we have pots and we have ite. We have ite. We have plate. Plate. After we have plate, our plate is called efele. Efele or efere. Efere, depending on the dialect. Alright, so the next one is spoon. In spoon, we have ngazi. Ngazi. Ngazi or ngaji. Ngazi. Ngaji. We have cup. Cup. What we call cup in Igbo is iko. Now, you'll be able to determine whether it's iko. Generally, we know we have cup. You have cup too of different things, whether it's cup for wine or all our cups, however you want to put it. So we have iko mmiri. Iko. Mmiri means water. And that's the next thing I have here. Water is mmiri. Mmiri. Water is mmiri. And we have food. Food is nni or nri in Igbo. Food is nri. Nri, food. Nri. Water, mmiri. Cup, iko. Iko. Spoon, ngazi. Plate, efele. Pot, ite. Kitchen, useku. Now, we also have fireplace. Fireplace can also call eku, where you put fire. Those days we use firewood to make food. So that's how we come about kitchen. Useku or eku. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.